Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. How to build an emergency fund. A step-by-step guide today. We're diving into an essential topic for financial security. How to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as your safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or even a sudden job loss. Having one can reduce stress and keep you from going into debt. Stick around as we explore practical steps to start, grow, and manage your emergency fund. Why you need an emergency fund. Let's start by understanding why an emergency fund is crucial. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies can come out of nowhere. Imagine losing your job or facing an unexpected medical expense. Without savings, you might have to rely on credit cards or loans, which can trap you in a cycle of debt. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This ensures you have a financial cushion during challenging times. Set a clear goal. The first step in building an emergency fund is to set a clear savings goal. 1. Calculate your monthly essential expenses, including rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and transportation. 2. Multiply that amount by 3 to 6 months. 2. This is your target. For example, if your essential expenses are $2,000 per month, aim to save between $6,000 and $12,000. If that feels overwhelming, don't worry. Start with a smaller goal, like $1,000, to cover minor emergencies. Open a separate savings account to avoid the temptation of dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergencies. Open a dedicated savings account. 1. Look for an account with no monthly fees and a competitive interest rate. 2. Consider a high-yield savings account or a money market account to earn more on your savings. By keeping this money separate, you'll create a psychological barrier, making it less likely to spend it impulsively. Create a budget and cut unnecessary expenses. Building an emergency fund requires discipline. 1. Review your budget to identify areas where you can cut back. 1. For example, cancel unused subscriptions, eat out less often, or shop smarter. 2. Redirect the money you save into your emergency fund. Pro tip. Use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. If you can, increase the savings portion temporarily to speed up your progress. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by automating your contributions. 1. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund every payday. 2. Even small amounts like $50 or $100 per paycheck can add up over time. Automation removes the need to think about saving and ensures consistent progress. Boost your income. If you're finding it hard to save with your current income, consider ways to increase your earnings. 1. Take on a side hustle like freelancing, selling handmade products, or driving for a ride-share service. 2. Sell items you no longer need. 3. Use any bonuses, tax refunds, or unexpected windfalls to grow your fund quickly. Every extra dollar you save brings you closer to your goal. Be consistent and stay committed. Consistency is key when building an emergency fund. Avoid dipping into it unless it's a true emergency. Remind yourself why you're saving and celebrate small milestones along the way. Maintain and replenish your fund once you reach your goal. Don't stop. Reassess your fund periodically to ensure it matches your current living expenses. If you ever use it, prioritize replenishing it as soon as possible. And that's it for today's guide on building an emergency fund. Remember, starting small is better than not starting at all. With dedication and smart strategies, you'll build a safety net that provides peace of mind and financial security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. See you in the next one. 1. Final boost. 2. Remember, every like and subscribe helps this community grow stronger. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality for everyone who's ready to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.